Welcome to class. I'm very happy we are at this level. Today we are going to be talking about our shape tool. When you click your shape tool, you are going to be seeing sticker, import, draw, shapes, bezier, and arrow. Sticker helps you to add stickers and emojis to your design. I rarely use this in design. I don't use them. It's rare. The next one is import. Import helps you to import images from your mobile phone. Draw helps you to draw any kind of line or anything you want to draw on your design. Shape tool. Shape helps you to add different kinds of shape to your design. PixelLab already provide you with over 20 shapes. When you click this and you click this rectangular shape that is highlighted here, you see many shapes that PixelLab give us to design with. Let's move forward. The bezier tool, I told you that I'm going to make a special video. I'm going to take it as a course, as another topic, to teach you how to use a bezier tool and the marks to remember. Note it down and remember me after this class. The arrow tool helps you to add arrows to your design. Different type of arrows. If you click it, you can see them here. I rarely use this. Stroke is here, opacity is here, color gradient and everything is here. Undo. Now the reason why you are not seeing different icons that we are going to use to edit our shape is because we don't even have a shape. When we click these shapes and click OK, you now see that it has come up with many icons that we can use to edit this shape. You now see that some of these icons are familiar, but here you can only use it to edit your shape. Delete is to delete your shape. Let's undo. Now in edit here, you can change the radius. You can see the edge of our shape is changing. This is opacity, this is a color, this is a gradient color down there. You can choose any type of color that you want from there. This is a stroke. I already talked about stroke in the text edit button. Now since you saw stroke here, everything down this place affects your stroke, not your design again. This is the gradient of your stroke. This is a color of your stroke. Everything down here, this one edits the edge of your stroke. Now let's increase the stroke. You're looking at the edge. If you click it, it will change. If you click this, it will be rounded. This one blurs your stroke. So immediately you see stroke, anything downward is going to affect your stroke, not your shape. Okay, okay. This is crop. We should be familiar with it because of our phone. We used to crop pictures. This copy button is to duplicate your design. Undo. You see, our tools has gone back again. Until you click this chip, then they will come back. The to front and the to back icon helps you to send your shape to the bottom or to the top of your design in your layer. This is a position, this is a relative position. We have learned about this is a relative size. You can increase the size of your shape from here. When you disable this and you increase this one, it will only affect the width, and this one also, it will only affect the height. But when you enable this, it will join them together. You see, when you're now increasing it, is increasing both the width and the height. The next one is color. I already talked about color and color gradient. Okay, let's go. Texture helps you to bring a picture or a background from your own phone to fill your shape. We're going to be practicalizing that tomorrow in our next video. In our next video, we're going to be practicalizing that, so anticipate. The next one is opacity, to decrease the transparency of your, I've already talked to you about this. Now you now see affect shadow there. The reason why I'm not seeing any change because this shape doesn't have a shadow. Now let's go and add shadow. Since it now has a black shadow at the back of this shape, let's go back to opacity. You see, when I decrease the opacity, it won't affect the shadow at the back, but when I enable it, it will affect the shadow. So there's the work of that one. Let's undo. The next one is the color filters. Color filters help you to filter your image, to add hue. You can see the color is changing. This is hue. You can increase the saturation and decrease it, the brightness, the contrast. You see, let's bring it back to normal. Eraser tool helps you to erase any part of your shape. You can smooth it here. You see, you can increase the size here. You see. Alright, the next one is the max tool. I told you I'm going to teach you that specially again. This erase color helps you to erase color from the background of your image with one click. Take, for example, this shape has two colors. Let's go to gradient and add two colors, black and white. Come to this erase color, click erase color, enable it, choose this white part, then increase it. You see, it's erasing the white part of this shape. The next one is rotate. I already taught you that. The 3D rotation and all of that. The 3D shape helps you to add a special effect to your shape. This is the oblique. You can change the angle from here, the Z rotation, the light angle, the intensity, and the shadow. Spectacular hardness. The next one is perspective. Let's undo. Perspective, you already know about this. Hold this small circle to set the perspective of your shape. Shadow, you know about shadow already. If you don't know about shadow, go back and watch Understanding Text Tool in PixelLab. You have more understanding on this. The inner shadow adds shadow to the inside of your shape, and this is emboss. I already talked to you about emboss, the light angle, and all of that in the previous video. So thank you so much for your time. Now, the reason why you didn't see much effect on this erase color here is because it's not a picture. It's not a picture. This is a shape. When we bring in a picture, when we start practicalizing all these things in our next video, you will see the work of this erase color and how to erase your background using this erase color button. Thanks for your time. Have a nice time. See you in the next video.